Forged for peak performance in a footprint that barely claims your desktop, the Tecno Mega Mini Gaming G1 fuses raw speed, advanced cooling, and sleek design. At its core is the Intel Core i9-1390H processor, built with 14 cores, 20 threads, and a turbo boost of 5.4 GHz. Backed by 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, it handles intensive multitasking and AAA gaming with unrelenting ease. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40608 GB GPU unlocks immersive realism with 3072 CUDA cores, DLSS 3 AI frame generation, and real-time ray tracing. It supports 16 gigabits per second memory speed and a total graphics power of 120 watts, powered by the Ada Lovelace architecture. Whether gaming or content creation, this system delivers ultra-smooth visuals with lightning response. Storage flexibility shines with dual PCIe 4.0 SSD slots, expandable to 4 TB, paired with DDR5 RAM support up to 64 GB. Built to outperform the rest, this compact power block delivers more than just watts. It delivers peace of mind. Whether you're juicing up a flagship phone, a tablet on the fly, or even a lightweight laptop, it handles the load without breaking a sweat. With a futuristic, robot-inspired design, the charger stands out without shouting. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. Compatibility. Wider than a football field, this little powerhouse recognizes and works with practically every major fast-charging protocol. PD, QC, SCP, FCA, covered. It doesn't matter if you're team iOS, Android, or something in between. The Nexo RG charger adapts seamlessly, automatically delivering the right output for your device, preventing overcharge, overheating, or drop-offs. Behind that 2.6-inch frame lies high-efficiency GaN technology, cutting down heat and size while boosting performance. Level up your mobile workstation with the Quumsy F3, new arrival's 14-inch portable triple-screen laptop extension. Designed to bring the power of a triple-monitor setup to your laptop, this sleek and compact extension delivers a seamless productivity boost. Each of the two side-mounted 14-inch displays offers crisp 1080p resolution, built with IPS technology for wide-angle clarity and vivid visuals. Whether you're multitasking spreadsheets, editing media, or managing code, the extended layout keeps everything in view. No tab switching required. Built for portability without compromise, the Quumsy F3 folds down to a travel-friendly profile, weighing in at just under 4 pounds. Setup is quick. Plug it in via USB-C or HDMI and enjoy an instant multi-screen experience compatible with most Windows, macOS, and Linux systems. In a world where robotics must adapt seamlessly to human-centered environments, the Unitree G1 steps forward, not as a tool, but as a collaborative agent engineered for real-world engagement. Built with precision mechanics and expandable intelligence, this humanoid robot balances dexterity and agility with refined motion control, all within a compact yet powerful frame. Measuring 52 inches tall when standing, with a slender profile just under 18 inches wide and 8 inches thick, the G1 can also fold down to a transport-friendly 27 inches tall and 12 inches thick. At about 77 pounds, including its battery, the G1 remains lightweight enough for rapid deployment without compromising structural integrity. Each leg features 6 degrees of freedom, while the torso includes 1 or up to 3 degrees of movement, allowing the G1 to twist, bend, and maneuver naturally. Reimagine your space with the power to transform any flat surface into an interactive experience. The puppy Hachi Infinite M1 is more than a projector. It's a portable smart hub, merging voice-responsive control, rich media playback, and touch interactivity in one sleek form. With 10-point AnyTouch technology, you can draw, swipe, write, or play directly on walls and tables, all with fluid, near-instant responsiveness matching high-end capacitive screens. Its cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon SDA 670 processor and 4 GB of RAM deliver smooth multitasking on a customized Android 9.0 platform, allowing seamless access to apps, media, and productivity tools. The Infinite M1 supports AirPlay, DLNA, Miracast, and Hachi Cast, making wireless sharing effortless across devices. Precision meets portability in the Commarker B4 420-watt fiber laser engraver, a machine built for those who demand accuracy on every project. Designed for professionals working with jewelry, gold, silver, stainless steel, or coated metals, this 2-in-1 laser system seamlessly shifts between desktop and handheld modes. Whether you're customizing rings or branding tumblers, the B4 delivers consistent results without sacrificing speed or detail. The powerful 20-watt fiber laser beam ensures fast, deep marking, clean etching, and excellent durability, all while maintaining crisp line resolution. It supports a marking speed up to 30,000 millimeters per second and operates with a 0.001-inch precision spot, ensuring clean finishes on even the most delicate surfaces. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corio, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corio defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Built around a futuristic vision, the Corio is powered by a 150cc hydrogen engine, championing sustainability without compromising performance. Its motion mimics that of a living creature, delivering an entirely new riding experience, more akin to riding a mechanical beast than a motorcycle. In a world saturated by flat screens and filtered media, Looking Glass Portrait unlocks a powerful portal into 3-dimensional storytelling. Designed for boundary pushers, visual artists, designers, filmmakers, and photographers, this cutting-edge holographic display transforms everyday creative work into luminous spatial narratives. It arrives fully equipped with a preloaded demo reel, offering an immediate taste of the possibilities without the need for setup or downloads. Integrations with major 3D engines like Unity, Unreal Engine, and Blender make it easy for professionals to embed the Looking Glass Portrait directly into their creative pipelines. Whether you're animating a short film or rendering product design, this device bridges 2D to 3D effortlessly. With proprietary software that can convert flat images into lifelike holograms, the boundary between vision and reality begins to blur. The R050 magnetic power bank is a compact and efficient charging solution designed to keep your devices powered up on the go. With a 5,000 mAh capacity, this portable battery pack offers fast charging capabilities, ensuring that your devices remain functional throughout the day. Its wireless QCPD 20-watt fast charging feature supports a wide range of smartphones, including iPhones, making it versatile for various devices. The magnetic design allows for a secure connection to your phone, ensuring it stays in place while charging. The built-in USB-C port offers additional flexibility, allowing you to charge devices that aren't compatible with wireless charging. The Typanner 2.0 Mini Multi-Tool Wrench offers versatile functionality, merging convenience with precision. Crafted from durable titanium, it is designed to handle daily tasks while remaining compact enough to carry anywhere. The Typanner 2.0 serves as a practical solution for those in need of a multifunctional tool, featuring a bottle opener, wrench, and various useful points for tightening or loosening bolts. At just a few inches long and weighing only a few ounces, it's designed for portability, making it an ideal companion for both urban and outdoor environments. This multi-tool is a game changer for those who value efficiency without sacrificing quality. Its titanium construction ensures resilience against wear and corrosion, making it an essential tool that will stand the test of time. The Divoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Beyond its eye-catching display, the Divoom Backpack M integrates Bluetooth connectivity, enabling easy pairing with your smartphone. This feature allows users to control the LED screen directly from their devices, making it easy to change messages, display artwork, or even show notifications. The Spire Studio's second generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The updated display is brighter and more refined, making navigation easier in any lighting condition. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth support, ensuring faster pairing and seamless integration with the internal Spire Wi-Fi network. The TickTime Cube is an innovative time management tool designed to boost productivity through simplicity. With a flip of the cube, users can easily start a countdown, manage their time, or track progress without needing to adjust complex settings. Its intuitive design allows you to effortlessly control work intervals, making it a great companion for tasks such as Pomodoro sessions, egg timers, or general countdown functions. This digital timer features a minimalist interface with clear, user-friendly controls. The cube's easy-to-read display ensures you can quickly check the remaining time, while its built-in countdown mechanism is highly reliable for precise timekeeping. Whether you're focused on study, cooking, or work tasks, the TickTime Cube keeps you on track by effortlessly switching between different timer modes. Transform your workspace with the Ergotune Hexon, designed to elevate both comfort and efficiency. Crafted for those who demand personalized productivity, this modular system adapts to your unique needs, offering the flexibility to arrange and customize your desk setup like never before. With its user-centric design, the Ergotune Hexon ensures that every element of your workspace aligns with your specific preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more dynamic, multifunctional setup, this system allows you to mix and match components for a truly tailored experience. The high-quality materials offer durability, while the modular structure lets you adjust your layout seamlessly. The Photon Mono M7 Max is a powerful 3D resin printer that stands out with its large 13.6-inch screen and high-resolution 7K printing capabilities. Built to handle demanding projects, this printer leverages advanced COB Light Turbo 3.0 technology to produce precise and vibrant prints. Its expansive build volume enables users to tackle larger models with ease, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. One of the standout features is the printer's flip-open cover design, which enhances ease of access and overall user experience. This thoughtful feature allows for quick resin refills and maintenance without hassle. Additionally, the Intelligent Assist printing system optimizes the printing process, ensuring smoother operation and reducing the likelihood of errors or failed prints. The M7 Max is engineered to provide excellent print quality with minimal effort. Moonwalkers redefine personal mobility, combining advanced engineering and AI technology for an unparalleled experience. These aren't just shoes, they are your new mode of transportation, offering a seamless, natural ride over any terrain. Moonwalkers feature an innovative 8-wheel system designed to glide effortlessly over bumps, cracks, and uneven ground, providing both speed and stability. Powered by 400 watts and 10 Newton meters of torque, these electric shoes conquer hills and obstacles with ease. Their proprietary polyethylene wheels simulate a larger wheel radius, giving you superior traction and a smooth, controlled journey. The Focus Sound directional speaker redefines personal audio experiences by combining cutting-edge sound technology with sleek, customizable design. This speaker's unique feature is its ability to project sound in specific directions, allowing users to enjoy immersive audio without disturbing those around them. The transparent build enhances its modern appeal, seamlessly blending into any environment while also offering a creative touch with the option to attach personal photos at the back. Equipped with 360-degree surround sound, the Focus Sound ensures rich, full-spectrum audio with a directional focus that brings clarity and precision to your listening experience. This is ideal for small spaces or shared environments where you want to enjoy music, podcasts, or movies without external noise interference. The Edge Pro stands as a pioneering solution, redefining the workspace for both remote professionals and home office users. Evolving from the original Edge modular work kit, this upgraded version amplifies productivity, making it ideal for anyone seeking a sleek, adaptable, and efficient environment. Included in the comprehensive full kit are the Edge Pro Core, a versatile detachable arm designed to securely hold tablets and smartphones, the Edge Pro Lite to ensure optimal lighting, and the Edge Pro wireless charger for convenient power-up. These components work seamlessly together to offer an elevated workspace experience. What sets Edge Pro apart is its compatibility with a broad range of devices. While the system utilizes MagSafe for enhanced performance, it also supports Android devices, older iPhones, iPads, and tablets, ensuring no device is left behind. The Opus Soundbed offers an innovative way to enhance your emotional fitness. This advanced hardware is seamlessly integrated with the Opus Emotional Fitness Platform, a system designed to guide you toward personal growth and healing. With 7 channels of spatial sound and vibration, the Soundbed envelops your body in a unique, full sensory experience, delivering tailored sensations from head to toe. Whether you're seeking deep relaxation or focusing on specific areas of tension, the Soundbed offers versatility in how it supports your emotional well-being. The Opus platform not only provides access to top-tier experts in personal development, but also incorporates scientifically backed healing methods. The system adapts to your individual needs, helping you to optimize your emotional fitness journey. This personalized experience ensures that each session is aligned with your specific goals, making it easier to achieve both emotional balance and personal growth. Futuristic function meets bold design in this powerhouse charging companion. The Alpha 65-watt USB-C fast charger delivers a striking presence on any desk or nightstand, doubling as an eye-catching tech collectible and an ultra-efficient charging device. Its clever transforming design allows it to sit when powering up your gear or stand tall like a miniature mech when idle, offering both versatility and visual appeal. More than just its looks, the Alpha 65 is built for serious performance. Thanks to cutting-edge GaN technology, it pumps out a full 65 watts of power through its USB-C port, enough to take your MacBook Air from dead to 51% in just 30 minutes. Whether you're charging laptops, tablets, or smartphones, this compact unit handles it all without breaking a sweat.